that trigonometry deals with a right angle triangle. It shows the relationship between sides and angles of a right angled triangle. Now let us see how does it show. So now with the help of these trigonometric ratios, they are sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Okay, so with the help of these trigonometric ratios, it shows relationship between angles and sides of a right angled triangle. So let us consider this right angle triangle PQR with respect to reference angle R. एक एंगल चाहिए हमको कोई भी, using that with respect to that हम बाकी सारे ratios define करेंगे. Okay, so now I am taking reference angle as theta, which is angle R. I have named angle R as theta. Now what will I do with respect to this angle? This is the opposite side. सामने वाला side है वो. This is the side which is adjacent to it. उसके बगल में है and 90 degree के opposite जो होगा वो that is always a hypotenuse. Alright. Now when we start defining these with respect to these this angle of this right angle triangle, so let us see how it happens. Sine of r, we can also write that as sine of theta. And sine of theta is always defined as opposite, सामने का opposite upon hypotenuse जो अपना 90 डिग्री के सामने है. Okay, so opposite side is this. Okay, and hypotenuse is this. So opposite upon hypotenuse, so opposite is PQ upon PR. Okay, similarly we have cos of r, that is cosine of r. We can write that as cos of r, and we can define that as adjacent upon hypotenuse. So if it is adjacent upon hypotenuse, so how are you going to do the adjacent side is QR and hypotenuse is PR. So QR upon PR. Similarly, tan of R is tan of theta, which is opposite upon adjacent. मतलब वो सामने upon बगल में. Okay, that way. तो ये हो गया this. ओके, PQ अपॉन PR. जो कॉट होगा वो एग्जैक्टली tan के रेसिप्रोकल होगा. So we use abbreviations of these: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. Abbreviations of these when we talk about certain angle and the relationship between the side and angle. Okay.
When we consider angle P as a reference angle, see how ratio changes.